Today, we're diving into a practical and fulfilling gardening project: how to build a raised garden bed. This venture not only enhances the beauty of your outdoor space, but also offers numerous benefits for your plants. First, let's talk about why raised garden beds are a game changer for gardeners. Elevated beds improve drainage, reduce soil compaction, and allow you to customize your soil for optimal plant health. Plus, they can make gardening more accessible, reducing the need for bending and kneeling. Now, onto the construction process. You'll want to start by choosing the right location. Look for a spot that gets ample sunlight throughout the day, ideally receiving at least 6 to 8 hours. Consider the proximity to your water source as well, as your garden will need regular watering. Once you've selected the location, it's time to gather materials. For a basic raised bed, you'll need untreated lumber. Cedar and redwood are great options due to their durability and rot resistance. Screws or nails, a drill, and soil. Optionally, materials for a weed barrier, such as landscape fabric, can also be included to prevent unwanted growth under your bed. Measure and cut your wood to size, depending on how large you want your bed to be. A standard size is 4 feet by 8 feet, which allows for easy access to the center of the bed from either side. Assemble the frame with screws or nails, ensuring it's sturdy and squared. Next, prepare the ground where your raised bed will sit. If you're installing the bed over grass or weeds, layer cardboard at the bottom to suppress these plants naturally. Position your frame over this layer or directly onto your prepared area if it's already cleared. Now, fill your bed with soil. A mix of topsoil, compost, and other organic matter will give your plants a nutritious start. Aim for a depth that will support the root systems of the plants you want to grow. Generally, 12 to 18 inches is sufficient. Water the bed thoroughly after filling it, allowing the soil to settle. From here, you're ready to plant. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, raised beds can accommodate a wide range of plants. Finally, maintenance is key. Regular watering, mulching, and seasonal soil amendments will keep your raised garden bed thriving. Monitoring for pests and diseases is also easier with a raised bed, as you have clear access and visibility. In conclusion, building a raised garden bed is a rewarding project that can elevate your gardening experience in many ways. With better control over soil conditions, improved pest management, and easier access, your garden is set to flourish. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide inspires you to create your own raised garden bed, bringing beauty and bounty to your outdoor space. Happy gardening!